Top, trusted onboarding platform, is the cutting-edge platform patented by InfoCert. Top allows to speed up any onboarding process, to enable digital contract subscription and increase sales conversion rate. By adding trust, compliance, and legal protection to your online transactions, you will be able to reach your clients wherever they are. Whatever's the product or service you offer, Top allows you to digitally sign contracts with your customers through a secure, convenient, and extremely user-friendly online journey, leveraging on the most cutting-edge identity verification tools on the market. With Top, your clients can request an installment payment plan when purchasing goods. The agent, using our identification platform, can securely verify the customer's identity in real time. Banks and other financial institutions can benefit from Top platform to leverage on existing proof of identities to digitally interact with their clients for the sale of new services, in full compliance with banking regulations. Customers can even prove their identity simply using their ID cards. Let users subscribe to your services from everywhere and at any time, with a fully automated process that allows a secure customer identification in a complete unattended way. Whenever an operator support is required, clients can use our multi-channel platform to interact with a live agent. With Top, your customers will be delighted and you will accelerate your business growth. Trust the experience, the vision, and the reliability of truly innovative company. Choose InfoCert, the leading trust service provider in the market. Discover more on infocert.digital. InfoCert, the digital future is now.